Welcome everybody to this meeting of the Voluntary Early Retirement Redundancy Panel. It's 14th of October today. Slightly late to start than we were expecting, but we will press on. First of all, item 1, do you have any declarations of interest, please? I don't see any hands going up. Take that as a no. Secondly, the minutes of the previous meeting held on the 17th September, which I was present at, but was unfortunately not really able to chair in a proper manner. So Councillor Webber took my place. Do we have anybody willing to approve the minutes, please?
Chair, I think both myself and Danny were not at that meeting. Am I correct, Danny?
Excuse me. Now you're asking.
I know I wasn't. I was just looking at the minutes and I think your name was down as absence.
The last meeting. Yes. Yeah, quite. Thank you. but I'm more than happy to approve the minutes.
I can second them. I've read them, so is that okay, Mark?
That's fine, as long as members are content to move.
Yes, I was satisfied with the minutes as well, Mark. Give me a second. Right, we will press on. Item 3, please consider passing the undermentioned resolution. The press and public be excluded from the meeting at this point under section 100A4 of the Local Government Act 1972 for the next item of business on the grounds that it involves the likely disclosure of exempt information as declined in paragraph 12 of part 4 schedule 12A of the Act.